Hello everyone, this is Dr. Riccardi, and in this video I'm going to go over or give a brief interview about our Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics course. And so with thermodynamics, we're interested in the two big E's, energy and equilibrium. Specifically, thermodynamics is this branch of science that allows us to define and quantify those concepts. So thermodynamics is the science that defines and quantifies the concepts of energy and equilibrium. With thermodynamics, as you saw in mass and energy balances too, it allows us to study how energy is able to transform from one form to another. And not only are we concerned with how kinetic energy can transform into potential energy, but we're also interested to understand how kinetic or potential energy can transform into internal energy. So thermodynamics provides a way to study how energy transforms from one form to another. And it's this last sort of topic, how energy can transform, how internal energy can either be released or gained in the system. This is a particularly interesting topic for chemical engineers because it allows us to connect, sort of phenomena that we could see with our own eye, these macroscopic phenomena. It allows them to connect us to the microscopic behavior of single chemical molecules. So thermodynamics connects macroscopic observations, so things that we could see with our eyes, to microscopic phenomena. All right? And so that, is going to be the focus of the course, understanding how, energy and equilibrium are related to the specific properties of molecules. And so for this semester, our course is going to be split into 4 distinct sections. Distinct sections. The first section will be somewhat familiar to you. It's going to focus partly on energy balances, things that you focused on in your MEB2 course. But we're also going to introduce the concept of entropy, and then focus on developing balances centered around entropy, and then combining our energy and entropy balances in order to understand, how efficient a process can be. We'll then segue into studying the thermodynamic properties of pure substances, so systems in which you only have one unique chemical element. It could be in different phases, but there's still only one element there, or one type of chemical there specifically. We'll then expand on the thermodynamic tools that we learned in Section 2 by then studying in Section 3 the thermodynamic properties of mixtures. So what happens when you are now dealing with multiple different types of chemicals. And finally, in the last portion of the course, we'll then briefly touch on chemical and reaction equilibrium, discussing why reactions actually occur and what the end goal of these reactions are. All right, and so that's a brief overview of the course. And in this course, it's a very sort of technical course, and so we're going to use a lot of technical terms, especially at the beginning. And so to orient yourself at the beginning of the semester, what I did is I wrote out a sort of glossary document, and I'm uploading it to Canvas. And so immediately after you watch this video, what I want you to do is to go onto Canvas and then scan over that glossary document, just to make sure that you understand all the terms and topics that are going to be covered throughout the semester.